Welcome back, guys. In this section we are going to discuss about the admin panel. So up to the previous lectures we have concentrated only on the user side. That means placing orders and searching, sorting, filtering, getting the products, login, registration, all the things, etc. So from this section onwards we are going to focus on the admin side. So how can an admin can add the new product, how can an admin can edit the details, how can an admin can see all the orders in the application and all the users who are registered in this application and complete a track of this application. So first of all I will show you the demo of the admin panel in the deployed version. So you can see this is the deployed version and this is the current version. So to see the admin panel you just need to type /admin in the host, that means URL. So if this ABC user is having the admin access, then it will be redirected to the admin panel. If this ABC user is not having admin access, then it will be redirected to the home page, because only specific users will be having the admin panel access. So here if I type the admin here, it will be redirecting to the home page only. So that means here you can see once admin panel is shown, but it is not there in the admin panel. It's not staying in the admin panel. That means ABC user is not having the admin access. So now I will give the admin access for this ABC user. Yeah, now I have given the admin access for this ABC user in my deployed version database. So now I will open the admin panel here. So /admin. So here you can see now it is not reloaded to home page. That means ABC user is having the admin access. So in this admin panel we are having the users list, pizzas list, add new pizza and the orders list. So this is the users list. So in this users list we are having the user ID, name, email and the delete button. So we can also delete the user from our application. And the second is pizzas list. So here you can see all the pizzas that are shown in this application. So we can edit these pizzas and we can update these pizzas, anything. So we can track throughout the state of the application in this admin panel. So let's try to update one. So here the pizza name is Margarita Gold and here I am going to update it. So here instead of Margarita Gold I am going to write new Margarita Gold, edit pizza. Here you can see pizza updated successfully. Now I will go to the home page. So where is new Margarita? Here you can see it got updated and we got the result as new Margarita Gold. So like this we can update the pizzas. And admin, let's do another task. So here we are also having the adding new pizza to our application names. So for every pizza we are having 3 variants: small variant, medium variant and large variant. So we have to give the prices of all the variants and we have to give the description. We need to add the image URL and at the last we need to add the category. So once you give all the details you need to press on this add pizza button, then these details will be sent to the database and new pizza will be added to our application. And we are also having the orders list. So here you can see this is the orders list. So in this orders list also we can having the order ID, email, user ID, amount, date and status. So in the user panel we are having the order status. So once the user is placed the order status will be seen like as order placed. So whenever the admin click on this deliver button, the order will be changed as delivered status. So the admin has to click on this deliver, so it will be changed as delivered only. So now I am going to deliver this remaining order. Already these 5 orders are delivered. Now I am going to deliver this order. Click on it. So here you can see we got the alert pop-up, order delivered, okay. And here the status is changed to delivered. So these are the things that we are going to do in the admin panel. So from this video I am going to do a little bit fast, because this admin panel is the basic CRUD applications, because these all are the simple operations like create, read, update, delete tasks only. So we'll be completing this admin panel in maximum 90 minutes, that means 1.5 hours only. So you need to concentrate more. As I said, I am going to complete this fast. So from the next lecture onwards we are going to start the implementation of this admin panel. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we are going to start the implementation of our admin panel in the MERN stack pizza application. So first of all, we have to give the admin access for any one of our user. So this is our developing version. So here the user has not logged in. Now I am going to logged in with any one of the user details. Let's check in the MongoDB first. So we have 4 users, not 4 users, 3 users. So here you can see for the user ABC, I have given the admin access. Is_admin is equal to true. And for XYZ and for John, we do not have the admin panel, that means admin access. So only XYZ user can access the admin panel. Here you can see is_admin is equal to true. So now I am going to log in with these details. So you can also, if you want to give these XYZ user admin access also, you can give, because in the deployed version also I have given the admin access to ABC only. So in the current version, I will give the admin access to the XYZ. So you will understand better, because if both the users are ABC, you will confuse. So here in the MongoDB, I will give the admin access to XYZ. So admin access is equal to true. Is_admin is equal to true. Update. So now I will create the admin screen. In the screens, admin screen.js. That's it. So close this filter, create one functional component RFC and h1. I'm going to write admin panel. So h1 text will be the smaller text in your application. Let me change it to h2 and I will apply some styling. Style font size equal to, I'll change it to 35 pixels. Control S. So now let's open the app.js and I will add the root for this admin panel. So root path equal to admin, component is equal to admin screen. So for this admin screen, you should not mention the exact prop, because in this admin screen again we are going to write the nested routing. So with the screen in which you want to write the nested routing, that screen should not have the exact prompt. So here you can see for all the screens I have given the exact prompt, but for the admin screen I am not going to give the exact prompt. Control S. So now let's check. First of all, let me logged in xyz123@gmail.com, and here the password is 123456. Login. So here you can see we got logged in the application with the help of these XYZ credentials. Now let's go to the admin panel. Admin. Here you can see we got the admin panel now. So as of now we have not written any code for redirecting to the home page if the user is not admin. Now I am going to write that. First of all, I am going to get the current user object. So already we have written the current user object details in the navbar. So I am going to get that. Where is navbar? Yeah, this is navbar. So first of all, let me import the use selector and use dispatch in the admin screen. Now I am going to write these details, user state, current user details, and we also need to dispatch it, copy in the admin screen. So now we are having the current user object. So I am going to write the use effect hook now. Use effect. So in this use effect, I am going to check whether the user is having the admin access or not. So I am going to check if current user dot is admin. If not, so we have to check if not. If the current user is not an admin, we need to navigate to the window dot location dot href to the home page. So you should not open the admin panel for that user. So use effect is not defined. Let me import it. Use effect. Control S. Now let's see. here you can see we haven't navigated to the home page because XYZ is having the admin access. That's the reason now we are already in the admin panel. So now I am going to create this navbar. It's not navbar, it's looking like navbar only. So now I am going to create one UL. So where is it? Admin screen. Yeah. So I am going to create an UL. In that UL I am going to write li. So in this li, the first one is users list. So anchor tag. Later I will write the root. First I will write the users list. And the second one is, so you can copy it, pizzas list, add new pizza, orders list. So the second one is pizzas list. Pizzas list, and the next one is add new pizza, and the last one is orders list. The last one orders list, Control S. Now let's check. So we got users list, pizzas list, add new pizza, and orders list. Now we need to style this. So first of all I will write one class name for this UL tag, admin functions. Now I am going to write styling for this admin functions class in the index.css. So this is index.css. I am going to write dot admin functions. I am going to write padding is equal to 10 and background color is equal to blue. It's related to the blue. Later I will change. First I will click the blue and I will select some blue color dark. Yeah, this is better. So now I am going to write this styling for li in the admin functions. Admin functions li. So first of all I am going to remove the list type style. We need to remove the dots. List style type none, important, Control S. Let's check, refresh. So again we are having it. So admin functions, let's check it whether we are having the admin function, not functions. S is there. Now it should be applied. Yeah, it is applied. So now I am going to change the display property of these li elements. So in the CSS admin li, display is equal to inline, display inline important, and color is equal to white. Color is equal to white important, Control S. So color is not applied because in the li we are again also having the a element. So we need to apply the color for that a element. Dot admin functions dot li a. So in the admin functions, in the li, in the a we have to write color is equal to white important. Now it should be applied, I think. Yeah, so it is applied. Let me add some margin, or you can also add padding. So I will add p20, padding 20. So now it's looking much better. So users list, pizzas list, add new pizza, and the orders list. So now we have to design these screens. So in the deployed version we are having the margins for these elements. So let me do that. So I will create one row in the admin screen, and in that row I am going to use only 9 or 10 columns, so you will get the margin from left side and right side. So let me create one row, dot row. From that row I am going to use dot call md 10. So I am going to use 10 columns. So in these 10 columns I am going to put all these details. Let's format it. Yeah, so for this row I'm going to write justify content center, Control S. So now we got the list like this, like deployed version. So now we need to create the browser router or switch, because if we click on the users list, we need to display the users list here. If you click on the pizzas list, we need to display the pizzas list here. If you click on add new pizza, we need to display add new pizza. If you click on orders list, we have to display the orders list. So first of all, I will create all these components. So in the components, I am going to create. So you can create in the components, or you can also create in the users screens only. So I am going to create in the screens. First one is users list .js, and the second one is pizzas list .js, and the next one is add new pizza.js, add pizza.js, and then the last one is orders list.js. So now I am going to create the functional component in all these components. RFC h1, so this is orders list, and in the pizzas list also I am going to do the same thing. RFC h1 pizzas list, and here also RFC add pizza h1 add pizza, and in the last one is orders list. So it is completed. Users list, we are left with users list. RFC, here we need to write h1 users list, Control S. So now we need to write root for all these components in the admin screen. So whenever the users list is clicked, you need to display only users list here. So now I am going to create the root for this, and bottom of this UL I am going to create it. Switch, so I am going to use switch, or if you want to use browser router, you can use it. Switch. So the first root will be users list. So path is equal to /admin/ users list. Then I will display component is equal to users list, and I will apply exact prop. That's it. So copy this and paste it for the remaining things. And the second one is orders list. Here also orders list. And the next one is pizzas list. Here also pizzas list. And the last one is add pizza. So admin/ add pizza. Here also the same, add pizza. So now we need to change the URL in the anchor tags. So for the users list, we need to write admin/ users list, and for the pizzas list, we need to write admin/ pizzas list, and for add new pizza, we need to write /admin/ add pizza, and the last one is orders list /admin/ orders list. That's it. Control S. So switch is not defined. Let me import the switch at the top. So we need to import the switch from the React router. Now it is imported. Control S. So now let's going to execute this. refresh the page. So first of all I will click on the users list. So here you can see I got the users list. So this is pizzas list, so this is add pizza, and this is orders list. So everything is working fine. So in the admin home page, that means if nothing is selected, we need to display the users list only. So here you can see in the admin home page, if there is no list selected, we need to display the users list because we cannot keep it empty. So copy this, and if the root is just admin only, you need to display the users list. Refresh. Here you can see. So if the root is admin, we need to display the users list. If the pizzas list, this pizza list, orders list, everything is fine. So here you can see, if you observe, when we click on any users list or pizzas list, the page is reloading because we haven't used the link tags. So if you use link tags, the page will not be reloaded. So we have written the roots in the anchor tags. So when we click the anchor tag, automatically the page will reload. So instead of writing these in the anchor tag, you can write these in the link tags to avoid the page refreshing. So let's remove the anchor tag and let's write link tag. Yeah, so here for everyone, not everyone, for every link tag, you just need to write /admin /users list, Control S. So copy it and paste it for the remaining things. Here we need to change it to, the second one is pizzas list, and change it to add new pizza, that means add pizza, and the last one is orders list. So by the link tag we can avoid the page refreshing. Orders list, Control S. Now let's see, refresh the page now. So here we got the anchor tags in the black color, I think so. Let me change it in the CSS, where it is, index.css. Yeah, here index.css. So here for the link tags, the color property is not applying with the index.css. So let me write the inline styling only. So here I am going to write style equal to color white. Copy it and paste it for the remaining tags. Paste it here and paste it here. Control S. Now it should work. Refresh the page. So again we didn't see anything. Sorry, we forgot to write the names here. So we have just written the link tags, but we forgot to write the names. So the first one is users list. Sorry for the mistake. And the second one is pizzas list. We did a silly mistake. Add pizza. And the last one is orders list. I think we have wasted almost 5 minutes of time in this lecture. Sorry for that. Yeah, now everything is fine. So users list, pizzas list, add pizza, orders list. So you can see here there is no page refresh in this. So in the next lecture we are going to start the pizzas list. Thank you. Welcome back guys. In this lecture we are going to build the pizzas list in the admin panel. So already we have wasted some time in the last lecture. So in this lecture we are going very fast. So let's see the pizzas list design. So first of all we have to create one bootstrap table. So from that bootstrap table we have to design the table headers and table data. So these are the table headers, name, prices, category and actions. So and these are the table data. So here we are having the name, prices is equal to, we need to display the different types of category prices, small variant price, medium variant price, large variant price, and we need to display the category. And for the actions we need to display two things, delete and update icons. So these are the things that we have to complete in this lecture. So already we are having the reducer like get all pizzas, so we need to use the help of that reducer to get that. So first of all I am going to close all those things here. I'll open only pizzas list component. Yeah, remove this h1 text and open home screen, because in the home screen we are having the all those things etc. like get all pizzas, all those things. So first of all copy the use dispatch and all these React statements, paste it here, and we are having the error, filter and loading components, copy that also, paste it here, and here we need to copy this dispatch and pizza state, all those things, copy this and paste it here. So as I said, we are going very fast. I am not going to write everything from scratch. We are going to utilize the code that we have written in the previous lectures, because everything is same only. And we are having the pizza state, all those things. Now we just need to write the use effect hook to dispatch the action, copy here and paste it here, Control S. So get all pizzas is not defined, let me define it. Get all pizzas, yeah, Control S. So here I will write one h2 text or h1 text, h1. So we cannot increase the height of the size of the h1, let me write the h2 only, h2. I will write pizzas list, Control S. Remove these curly braces because it is normal variable, Control S. Now let's open the pizzas list. So this is the pizzas list. Now I am going to open Redux whether we got the pizzas list details or not. Redux. So here you can see access dispatched successfully, get pizzas request and get pizzas success. So we are having the pizzas array. So now I am going to write the conditional rendering. So first I am going to write if there is any error. If there is any error, return error component. Error is equal to something went wrong, and here bottom of that error I am going to write the loading. Loading is equal to loading, and if there is no error, if there is no loading, that means we'll be having the pizzas. So if pizzas is equal to true, I am going to write map and pizzas dot map map. So here before writing the map, first we have to design the table at the top. So I am going to create the bootstrap table, and here I will write the class name as table, Control S. Now I am going to write thead, table header. So in the table header we will be having the components as, so user name, prices, category, actions. So we have to write all these things. So the first one is name, th name, and th prices, and th category, and the last one is th actions, Control S. And here we have to check if we got the data or not. If we got the data, we need to render the table body. So after the thead I am going to write the conditional rendering. So here I am going to write pizza in the map function. So in the above I am going to write tbody. So in this tbody we have to write the conditional rendering. So for every iteration we have to return one row. So I am going to write return tr. Yeah. So in this tr, the first parameter is not first parameter, the first one is table data. So the table data is pizza.name, and the second one is prices td. So later I will write prices. First of all, let me keep it only like prices. And the third one is td category, pizza.category. And the last one is actions. So here actions are nothing but the update icons and delete icons. So later I will write that. First let me check whether we got it or not. So refresh the page. So here you can see we got the names, pizza's names and the prices. So as of now we haven't written prices, and we got category, and we didn't return the actions also. So first of all I will write the logic for the prices. So here you can see we need to add 3 prices for all the things. So the first one is small, and the second one is medium, and the third one is large. So let me add it. So this is prices. So first of all remove this, and I am going to write the first one as small. Small equal to prices of pizza dot prices of. So prices are present in the object 0 of small. That's it. So sorry, we have to write like this. Yeah. Then copy it and paste it for the medium and the large. So this is medium and this is large. Here also medium and large. Control S. Now let's check we got the prices or not. Refresh the page. So here you can see we got the prices: small 200, medium 300, large 400. So for every variant I am going to write BR, break tag, BR. Here also BR. That's it. 2 are enough because there is no fourth one, so it will be applied to third one automatically. Refresh it. So here you can see now it's looking good. So now let me add some styling to these TDs and TH. So we open index.css. So for both TD and TH and TR I am going to write text align left. Control S. Yeah, now it's looking good. And for the header I am going to add the thead class, where it is, yeah, this is thead. Class name is equal to thead. And I will add the bootstrap table as table light or table dark. I will write table dark. Control S. Now let's check. So here you can see if you write table dark we will get the table like this. So if you want to add only table header color dark, you just need to remove this table dark from the table class and apply the thead light. So here thead light or dark for the thead only. So I am going to apply thead dark. So you will get the header in the dark color. Yeah, now it's looking much better. And for the table I am going to add the table border. So you will get the borders. Table bordered. So here you can see now table looking very nice. Yeah. So in the actions I am going to put the delete icon and the update icon. So these are the normal font awesome icons. So I'm going to create the fourth TD tag. So in the fourth TD tag, the first one is I, and the class name is equal to FA trash. That means delete icon. Let's check whether we got it or not. Refresh. So for every time we need to refresh it. So here you can see we got the delete icon, and now I'm going to write the next one is I think FA edit. So by doing lots of project I have remembered these names also. FA edit, Control S. So here you can see we got these buttons also. So let me add some margins or paddings. So I will add M1 for the delete, here also M1, Control S, refresh. So now we are having the margins for delete and update icons. So in the next lecture we are going to see how to add the new pizza into our application. Thank you. Welcome back guys. In this lecture we are going to see how to add the new pizza into our application. So in the add pizza application we have to create one form. So let me show you. So you have to create a form like this. So now I am going to create a form. So it's just a CRUD application. You just need to send the form values to the database. So I'll go a little bit fast in this lecture. So where is add pizza application? So this is add pizza. So first of all I am going to create one form. So I'll create a child div. In this div I am going to write one h1 text. So add pizza, Control S, and here I am going to write form. So in this form the first input field will be name of the pizza, placeholder is equal to name, and value is equal to, I'll write name only. So later I will create the hooks. First I will create the values and onChange methods directly. OnChange is equal to E. Here I am going to write set name E dot target dot value, and I think these are enough. Type text to placeholder name value, and we have written the onChange also. So yeah, that's enough. Let's copy this and paste it for the remaining input fields. So after the name we have to enter the small category, small variant price, small variant price. So here also I am going to write small price, and I am going to write set small price. So instead of writing set name I am going to write set small price, Control S, and let's create these variables first, so then we can avoid these errors. So first of all I am going to create the variables. Const name set name is equal to useState empty import useState and useEffect. So similarly we have to create the const small price and set small price equal to useState. It's not a string because it is a number value, and const medium price and set medium price. Set medium price is equal to useState, and it is also an empty. And similarly we have to create the large price, const large price, and set large price is equal to use state. So name, small price, medium price, large price, and we have to write image URL. We have to take the image, const image, and set image is equal to use state, and we have to take the description of the product, description, set description equal to use state, and it is also empty. I think we have completed everything. So let me check. Name, variant, small variant, description, image URL, category. So we have to write the category also. Const category, set category is equal to use state, and it is also empty. So here form, in the form f is small, here also f is small, Control S. So now there is no error. Let's check the output first. So here you can see name and small variant. So we forgot to add the form control class. Class name is equal to form control. For these input fields also, class name is equal to form control. Format the document because we need to copy these input fields and paste it for the remaining things. So already we are having the input field for small variant price, and copy and paste it for the remaining things. So the value is equal to medium price, and here also set medium price, and the next one is large price, large variant price, large variant price, large price, here also set large price, set large price, and the next one is category, category, here also set category, and the next one is description, here also set description, set description, and the next one is, I think the last one, image URL. So just image, here also set image. That's it, Control S. Now let's check the output. So we got all the forms. Yeah, everything is working fine. So now let's add the button. So we forgot to change the, we forgot that we have to change the placeholders. Later I will change it. So here I will create one button, and the button name is add pizza, and the button type is submit, and class is equal to btn, class name is equal to btn, and type is equal to submit because it is a form. So we are going to write on submit event for form, submit, Control S. So I am going to change the placeholder names. So the last one is image URL, and bottom of that we are having the description, change it to description, and here I am going to write category, it is a category, and this is large variant price. Instead of small you have to write large, and this is medium. Yeah, that's it. So here you can see we got add pizza. So for this I am going to write the class left for the div. So class name is equal to text left, text left or right, you can write anything, and I will also add some margin for the button, MT3. Yeah, now it's looking much better. So after clicking on this add pizza button, we have to write one on click event. So the on click event is on submit, because it is a form. That's the reason you have to write on submit. Is here I'm going to write form handler. So I'm going to write this function above, function form handler. So first of all, this is a form. That's the reason you have to write event.prevent default. Yeah, so I'm going to take the event as the parameter. So first we have to write event.prevent default. So now I'm going to create the pizza object with the details. Const pizza equal to, so the first one is name, second one is image, third one is description. These are the direct properties, and the category, and the next one is, yeah, these are the direct properties. Now I am going to create the property prices. So prices is an array. So in these prices we have to write small is equal to small price, and medium is equal to medium price, and large is equal to large price. So here I have written these prices object because if you observe the MongoDB, we are storing these object in the prices array. So let me show you that. So this is the pizzas. So here you can see in the prices we have to store this object. So this object directly. So that's the reason I have written like this. Small is equal to variant and small price is equal to variant price. So these are all the variants. So if you observe the variants in the MongoDB, for every product we will be having the variants small, medium, large, like this. So that's the reason we have to store the object in the array, prices array. So that's it guys. So first of all, let me print this pizza object in the console to check whether we got all the correct details or not. Console.log pizza, Control S. So here I am going to write, first of all let me open the console. So I am going to write my pizza, and small variant price is equal to 100, and the large variant price is equal to 360. Sorry, medium variant price is equal to 360, large variant is equal to 500, category is equal to veg, and description I'll write my pizza. Later I will add the original pizza details. This is just for testing purpose only. My image, and click on add pizza now. So here you can see in the console we got the details of the pizza. So name, category, all those things etc. In the prices array, we are prices object, we are having large is equal to 500, medium is equal to 360, and small is equal to 100. So now we can send this object directly to the database using the actions and reducers. In the next lecture we are going to complete that. Thank you. Welcome back guys. In this lecture we are going to see the logic behind the adding new pizza to our database. So in this lecture only we are going to complete the actions, reducers as well as the backend part. So first of all I am going to create the reducer, add pizza. So already we are having the pizza actions, and I am going here and write export const add pizza equal to dispatch. Yeah, so first whenever we receive the request I am going to dispatch the action add pizza request. So instead of get pizza's request I am going to write add pizza request. So why we got the error? Yeah, dispatch equal to, sorry, if I have written the function wrong. Dispatch, yeah, So here add pizza request, whenever the add pizza function is called, we have to send this add pizza request, and for this add pizza function we are receiving the pizza as our parameter. And now I am going to write the try catch. So in this try catch I am going to write const response is equal to await axios dot post. So this is an await, that's the reason you have to write async equal to await axios dot post slash API slash pizza slash add pizza. So this is the URL, and for this URL I am going to send the data as pizza object, Control S. That's it. And if it is success, you have to dispatch the action as get add pizza success, Control S, and else add pizza failed. Pizza failed, I am going to send the payload as error. That's it. And I am going to print the response in the console also. Response. Now I am going to add the reducer. So already we are having some reducers, we are going to take any one and replace it. Open pizza reducer. So here copy this and paste it here. So instead of get pizzas, you need to write add pizza. Add pizza. So copy this add pizza and paste it here. Here also you need to paste. And instead of get all pizzas reducer, write add pizza reducer. Add pizza reducer. And here if it is success, we will not get these pizzas, you just get loading is equal to false and success is equal to true. Success is equal to true, because we are going to check the success in the add pizza component. So if it is success, loading is equal to false, success is equal to true. And remove this pizzas array also. Initially the state is empty. So now let's add this add pizza reducer in the store. Where it is, yeah, add pizza reducer in the store. Here you can see get all pizzas reducer. I am going to write the add pizza reducer. Import it here. Add pizza reducer, Control S. So now we have completed the front end part. So I'm just going to dispatch the action from the add pizza component. So after printing console.log dispatch add pizza. This is an action and I'm going to send the pizza as my parameter. So dispatch and action are not defined. So import use dispatch and use selector from React Redux and create the object of use dispatch, and also import the add pizza function from the pizza actions. Add pizza, that's it. Control S. Now let's go to the backend. The backend part is very simple. Pizza's root. So I'm going to write router.post add pizza. So from the front end we will receive the pizza component. I'm going to write const pizza is equal to request dot body dot pizza. So now I am going to create the new pizza. Const new pizza is equal to new pizza. So here I am going to write the values name is equal to pizza.name, and image is equal to pizza.image, pizza.image, and description is equal to pizza.description, category is equal to pizza.category, and the last one is prices. So you just need to write prices of 0. That means we have to store our object in the prices of 0 is equal to pizza.prices, pizza dot, or you just need to write prices equal to, we have not equal to, in the array symbol you can write pizza.prices, pizza.prices, Control S. So that's it guys. So we have written everything in the pizza model. So you can see this is the pizza model. We have written name, variance is equal to by default, sorry we forgot to write the variance. So where is it, where it is, pizza root. So variance is equal to, so we have to write an empty array. In that array we have to write small, medium and large. So luckily we have checked it previous only, large, else yeah, that's it. So now I am going to write await new pizza.save, and I am going to wrap all this in the try catch, try. So in the try I am going to write this, and after saving I am going to send the response as pizza added successfully, and or new pizza added successfully, Control S. And here I am going to write error response.error. You just need to throw the error, something went wrong, or you can directly write the error message, Control S. And in the add pizza component we have to write some logics. So from the home page I am going to copy the error, loader and the success components. So this is the home screen. So copy this error, loader and success. Sorry, error, paste it in the add pizza, sorry, and the next one is loading. Here I am going to paste it, and the one more is success. The success component is not importing, auto import not working for success component. Let me import it manually. Import success from success. So now I am going to check the state of the add new pizza reducer. So from the home screen I am going to write this, copy it. So where is add pizza? Yeah. So here I am going to check after all the things, const add pizza state equal to use selector, state is equal to state dot add pizza reducer, add pizza reducer. Now I am going to destructure out all the variables, const success error loading is equal to add pizza state. So here in the form I am going to check everything. If it is loading, you have to render the loading. If it is having any error, you just need to send something went wrong. And if it is success, you just need to send the success message with the value your order place, your new pizza added successfully, new pizza added successfully, and we have to write the success prop, success equal to, yeah, that's it. What the error is this? Yeah, now let's work on this. First refresh the page. So open the Domino's website, because from the Domino's website only we are going to copy and paste the new pizzas. So this is the Domino's official website, and after opening, click on this our menu. So here you can see you just need to click anyone, you just need to select any one category. So new veg pizza, non-veg pizza, all those things, etc. I am going to select the non-veg pizza, view all. So now I am going to add this pizza, chicken golden delight. Copy the title and paste it in the name, and copy the description, paste it in the description, copy the image address and paste it in the image address, and category is equal to non-veg. Item, large item price is equal to, I am going to write 350, medium variant price I am going to write 250, and small variant price I am going to write 180. So now let's open the inspect. So for the first time we may get the error, I think so. So now I am going to hit the add pizza button, add pizza. So here you can see for the first time only we got the success message, new pizza added successfully. Now I am going to hit the add pizza button here. So here you can see new pizza added successfully. So initially we are having only 6 items in our pizzas collection. Now I am going to hit the refresh button in the MongoDB pizzas collection. So here you can see initially we are only having 6. Now I am going to hit it. So here you can see we got the 7th one. Now let's go to the home page, or if you want to see the admin panel also you can see it, pizzas list. So here you can see we got the 7th one. So small 180, medium 250, large 350, and it is non-veg category. And if you go to the home page also you can able to see the 7th pizza. So here you can see this is the 7th pizza that we have added right now. So variance is equal to small, medium, large, and quantity is equal to up to 10. Small variant price is 180, medium range price is 250, and large is 350, etc. So this is about the adding new pizza. Thank you. Welcome back guys. In the previous lectures we have completed the add pizza component. We have written the logic for that. So now in this section we are going to discuss about the how to update the existing pizza in the admin panel. So in the pizzas list we are having almost 7 pizzas, and for every pizza we are having 2 actions, the delete and update. So delete is very simple, you just need to send this ID to the backend, and from the backend you need to delete it, and again we need to refresh the page. So the pizza will be deleted automatically. So it's not a tough task. So here the tough task is update. So how can we update the existing pizza? So first of all we have to create a new screen for updating. So already we have the logic for add pizza. So update pizza is logic also similar to the add pizza, but whenever the update pizza component is loaded we need to enter the values in these input fields automatically with the clicked pizza. So let me show you in the deployed version. So here you can see this is the pizzas list. So in the pizzas list I am going to update this non-veg supreme. So here if I click on update it will take to the admin update screen. So this is the edit pizza. So I think then it is loading. Yeah, here it is loaded. So this is the edit pizza component or edit pizza screen in the admin panel. So whenever these edit pizza component is loaded, by default we have to put the pizza details that we have clicked on the update button. So we have clicked on the non-veg supreme pizza. So this is the name, and this is the small quantity price, this is the medium quantity price, and this is the large quantity price, and this is the description, this is the image URL, and this is the category. So here we can update anything. So here I am going to update the name of the pizza, non-veg supreme non-veg supreme. I am going to write digital. So let's click on the edit pizza. After clicking on the edit pizza, this update task will be sent to the database, and if it is successful we will be navigated to the pizzas list. So initially we are having the non-veg supreme, and now we are having the non-veg digital. Now I will click on the edit pizza button. Here you can see pizza updated successfully. Here you can see non-veg supreme digital. So if you go to the home page also you can able to see the non-veg supreme digital only. So where it is, here you can see non-veg supreme digital. So it's a simple task, but we have to write some complex code at least 2-3 lines. That's it. So this is a deployed version, and now I'm going to the current version. So first of all, we have to create the edit screen or the update screen. So I'm going to write edit screen, edit pizza dot.js. So in this edit pizza.js, first we have to write the functional component RFC, and from the props I am going to take the ID, pizza ID from the URL, because after clicking on the edit pizza button we have to take the URL. Let me show you in the deployed version. So I'll go to the admin panel, admin, so pizzas list. So if we click on any update button for any pizza, this pizza ID will be represented in the URL. So let me show you that. Here you can see the first one is edit pizza screen, and after that we have to write the pizza ID. So we have to take this pizza ID to the edit pizza component, and we have to send the request to get these pizza details, and we have to put that pizza details in the input fields automatically. So this is our task. So first of all we have to get the URL, and I'm going to write h1 edit pizza control S. I'm going to write root for this edit pizza component in the admin screen. So copy this and paste it here. So admin / add pizza, instead of add pizza you need to write edit pizza, and we are going to take the ID as pizza ID. So the string which will be present in the edit pizza left side, that will be treated as the pizza ID. So now I am going to hit the edit button. So first of all we have to write this root for the pizzas list component. So here you can see we have the edit. So this is the edit. So I am going to put this edit in the link tag, because after clicking on this edit icon we have to navigate to the edit screen. So I am going to write link tag, so in between these links you have to write the icon. So here I am going to write the to property. To is equal to, I am going to use the backticks because we are going to write the URL. So I just write /admin /edit pizza, then we need to write pizza.id. So $, curly braces, pizza._id, because id is denoted by underscore in MongoDB, pizza._id, control S. So now I am going to receive this pizza ID in the edit pizza component. I am going to put that in the h1 text, h1 pizza ID is equal to, so here I am going to write match because we have to receive it, match.params.pizza ID, match.params.pizza ID, control S. So now let's click on the update pizza for any one button. So pizzas list. So now I am going to hit the update pizza for this pizzas list. So this is the first one. So I am going to update it, click on it. So here you can see we got the URL, but we didn't got the edit pizza component. So I think we haven't changed the component name, we just changed the only root name. So here instead of add pizza you have to write edit pizza. Yeah, now it should work. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see pizza ID is equal to this. This is the ID of the first pizza item. So jalapeno red paprika pizza. So here you can see if you click on it you can able to get this. So if you want to confirm this ID you just need to open MongoDB, open pizzas. So the first one ID is 60607AE. Here you can see 607AE. So we got the correct ID. So whenever we got the ID in this page, that means edit pizza, we have to send a request to get pizza by ID. So still the previous lectures we got all the pizzas at a time, so we never got a chance to get only single pizza. Now we got that. So you just need to change the actions and reducer, not changing, we just need to add one more action and one more reducer for getting single pizza with the help of ID. So let's do that. So now I'm going to add the get pizza by id action. So this is the action. Create the, sorry, already we are having the actions, pizza actions. So instead of get all pizzas, you just need to write get pizza by id. Copy it and paste it here only. So get pizza by id. Get pizza by id. Control S. So here we need to change, instead of pizzas, get pizza by id request. Pizza by id. Copy it and paste it for the remaining reducers. Get pizza by id success. Get pizza by id failed. So here also I'm going to change the root name in the backend. Instead of get all pizzas, I'm going to write get pizza by id. Control S. So now let's go to the reducer. We have completed the action part. Where is reducer? Yeah, this is pizza reducer. So copy the first one, get all pizzas reducer, and paste it here. So here also you need to change only one thing. Instead of get all pizzas, you just need to write get pizza by id reducer. Get pizza by id reducer. Control S. Here also we need to do the same thing. Instead of pizza, you just need to write get pizza by id. Control S and copy this and paste it here, and paste it here also. So after getting the success response, you need to update the pizza variable, not pizzas variable, because we are only we are going to get only one object, pizza. So that's it. Get pizza by id reducer. Now I am going to add this in the store. Where is the store? Yeah, here the store. So I am going to add it. Get pizza by id reducer. Get pizza by id reducer. So here also I am going to add get pizza by id reducer. Control S. So that's it. We have completed the action and reducer setup in the front end. So now I am going to get the write the code in backend. So let's open pizza's root. So here I am going to write router.post. So here we are going to receive the pizza id. Await async function. Async const pizza id equal to, const spelling is wrong, const pizza id is equal to request dot body dot, I think pizza id only, pizza id. Control S. So now I am going to write the try catch, try catch. So here I am going to write const pizza is equal to await pizza dot find one. Here I am going to write the condition underscore id equal to pizza id, and here I am going to write response dot send pizza. If there is any error, I am going to send direct error only. Response dot error. I am going to send the error message, error. Control S. So now I am going to dispatch the action from the edit pizza component in the use effect hook. So here you just need to write use effect. So we haven't imported it. Let me import use effect. Now you can write the logic. Remove this, and here I am going to write dispatch. So we haven't imported the use dispatch and use selector also. Import use dispatch and use selector. Use dispatch and use selector from React Redux. Control S. Create the object of the dispatch. Where is it? Dispatch. So now I am going to dispatch the action get pizza by id, and I am going to send the parameter as match.params.id, params.pizza id, not id, pizza id, control S. So get pizza by id is not imported. Let me import it. Get pizza by id action. So in the actions also I am going to receive this parameter. I am going to send it to the backend. Where is pizza actions? So here I am going to receive pizza id, and for this I am going to change it to post method, and here I am going to send data as pizza id, control S. So let's check the backend whether we have written the post method or get method. So we are sending the pizza id, that's the reason we have to write only post method. So here also we have written post method only. So I forgot to write the root name here. Get pizza by id, control S. So now let's check. Refresh the page. Let's open the Redux state. So here you can see we got the success response, get pizza by id success, state is equal to, so we got the pizza. So we have clicked the first pizza, jalapeno red paprika pizza, that's the reason we got these details. So let's click another one. So now I am going to click the second one. So the second one is, here you can see the second one id is not updated, it is the wrong id, I think so. Let me check it. So the MongoDB second one id is last ending with 83e, here also 83e. So this is the id of the second pizza, margarita. Now I am going to check it in the state whether we got the margarita details or not. Redux, refresh the page, state pizza. So we got margarita only. Now let's click on another one. So we have to verify it whether we are getting the correct or not. So now I am going to get the non-veg supreme. So here you can see now we got the non-veg supreme pizza. So the component is working fine. So in the next lecture we are going to design the edit pizza component. Thank you.